Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a monster hand. Before we get started, here are the things you're going to need. Number one, the main component, you're going to need Rice Krispie treat. I recommend making more than enough so that way you won't run out while doing this. Number two, you're going to need some toothpicks to help support the structure. Number three, you're going to need either some fondant or gum paste. Number four, some gel color. Number five, a paintbrush. And then also fondant tools to help. I also forgot to mention that you're also going to need a little bit of powdered sugar and a roller pin. Please bear with me in this video because I ran out of storage space, so some clips I didn't get to include in here, but we're just gonna go ahead and get started. This was the first finger I did. As you can see, it has like a little angle to it. That's really the key to adding dimension to the hand. You just want to take like the tip of the finger and just keep like bending it basically almost at a 90-degree angle. Just keep doing that. That's really the key. And that's just what I keep doing for the next few clips. I'm gonna repeat the process. Just keep mashing each finger. You really want to mash it. Mash the Rice Krispie as much as you can together. It'll make it firmer, so that way it'll decrease the chances of it falling apart. And for the support structure, I just use toothpicks to help hold it together. Okay, in this step, I'm using fondant. You can basically take like the regular size pack of fondant that you can find at Walmart, Michael's, Joann's, and cut it in half. That's all you're gonna need. Then the next thing you're gonna need is that green, or if you want to do purple, yellow, whatever color floats your boat. Just put the color directly on the fondant. I recommend wearing some gloves when you do this because it can stain your hands or your clothes. And just mix that thing. Mix, 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 okay? And after you get it to your desired liking, then we're going to roll it out. Alright, so now after you have colored your fondant to your liking, take some powdered sugar and just sprinkle it onto whatever surface you're going to be working on. It's just going to keep the fondant from sticking to the pan and also to the surface that you're going to be working on. Alrighty? So just roll it, and you want to get it about half an inch, somewhere between like a quarter of an inch and half an inch thick. Because you don't want it to be too thick, and you also don't want it to be too thin to where it's going to start breaking. After you've gotten your fondant rolled out to your liking, just gonna take the hand and cover it. Okay, that's all you do. Just want to kind of rub the fondant into the hand to help it like kind of melt together in a way. Just keep doing that. So after you've covered the hand and played around with it, all you do is take your fondant tools and just add details. For like the nail beds, all I did was just take the cone shape fondant tool to create like a line to where the nail bed would be. And I didn't record.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.